So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to align text in a video here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, this bottom bar right here, press on text again, and how about I just type in the word align. So right now, it is actually center aligned. So there's my text right here. If you want to align it maybe to the left or to the right or to whatever, press in the three horizontal lines right here. Then go to the bottom left, and there's the three horizontal lines. If you go ahead and press on it once, you can bring it to the left. If you bring it to the middle, or you can bring it to the right in regards to aligning your text. So it's very simple, very straightforward. But if you were to go ahead and press check mark right here, you can go ahead and see that it is now aligned the way you wanted it to. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can align text in a video on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.